Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Steele again, your friendly neighborhood family and immigration lawyer. Today's topic will be spousal sponsorships. Now, this is a huge topic that requires a lot of time and is not conducive to one video, unless you want to be bored to death. So what I'm going to do is I will record a series of video blogs, each answering 2 or 3 questions that I frequently get regarding the spousal sponsorship or common law partner sponsorship topic. So today, the first question we're going to tackle is the one that I get all the time. If I apply to be sponsored, so as the applicant, as a spouse, within Canada, so inland processing, am I able to travel outside of Canada and come back while my application for permanent residence is in process? I will give you a legal answer to this, and I will give you a practical one. So the legal answer is the following. Only permanent residents and citizens of Canada are guaranteed re-entry into the country. No one else, students, workers, or visitors, receive this guarantee. Now, if you have an application for permanent residence in process and you have valid status in Canada, such as a visitor, and on top of that, you receive a spousal open work permit, you technically have all the documentation that allows you to leave Canada and come back in. For example, if you are a US citizen or from another visa-exempt country, your passport allows you to re-enter Canada. If you have a multiple entry visa that allows you to travel, you're also technically allowed to re-enter Canada. The only theoretical risk is that you're always subject to the Canada Border Services Agency officer's discretion whether to allow you back into the country. In vast majority of cases, there is no issue and you're able to re-enter. But if for whatever reason you're not allowed to come back into Canada, your inland application may be considered abandoned and cancelled, which means you would have to restart the process with all the evidence and all the documentation outland. That's not a very good scenario. But luckily, it is not frequently seen scenario either. So in practice, most clients who are from visa-exempt countries or who have multiple entry visas and who also have obtained a spousal open work permit through the inland sponsorship process are able to travel without any hindrances or other obstacles while their permanent residence is in process. So as long as you're comfortable with that theoretical risk, you should be able to go back and forth without any issues. Out of caution or abundance of caution, I do advise clients to minimize their travel until their permanent residence application has been finalized, just to avoid any potential theoretical risks. I hope this answer clarifies what happens if you want to travel while your permanent residence application remains in process with Citizenship and Immigration Canada. Thank you for your time, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me via my website at www.ivansteellaw.com. Thank you.